The purpose of this video is to teach you how to use the Analytics tab in your smartPAR interface. You can find the Analytics tab in the top right-hand corner, right next to the Logout button. On the Analytics page, you will find graphs for both power usage and light levels for your facility. The data that you see populated here will depend on the LumiGrow solution that you've deployed. All users will see power usage and supplemental lighting statistics. Growers who have purchased LumiGrow's smartPAR light sensor modules to automate for ideal year-round lighting conditions will also see solar light levels included on their graphs. This first graph shows an estimate of how much power your fixtures are using at a given point in time over the course of 24 hours. You can see here that the lights turned off and then turned back on toward the end of the day. The line graph right below shows your cumulative power consumption as the day goes on. This is a great way to monitor how much energy your fixtures are using over time. Right below our power usage graph, you have our supplemental and solar lighting graph. You can toggle the keys below your graph to see specific lighting metrics. This top graph shows instantaneous light, or PPFD, at any given point throughout the day. The pink shows supplemental lighting, while the yellow shows solar. The blue is the total light that reaches the crop, which accounts for both solar and supplemental PPFD. You can hover over any point in time to understand the exact lighting measurements at your crop. Here you can see that the smartPAR light sensor module measured solar light levels, automatically reducing supplemental light as the amount of solar light increased throughout the day, which stabilized light levels to achieve a daily light integral, or DLI, throughout the day. In the graph below, you can see light accumulated throughout the day, measured in DLI. DLI is the measurement of the number of photosynthetically active photons that are delivered to a specific area over a 24-hour period. The pink line shows supplemental DLI, the yellow shows solar DLI, and the blue shows total accumulated throughout the day at the crop level. It directly corresponds to the graph above. You can see as you move back and forth, the little dots follow you. You can see here that this LumiGrow smartPAR light sensor module was set up to achieve a target DLI of 21 and automatically ramped up supplemental light levels up and down to achieve this goal, ultimately stabilizing yields and ensuring optimal lighting conditions for premium crop quality. Now let's take a look at the historical tab. You can view historical data for weekly intervals or as a custom date range. Here we're going to look at the entire month of March. On the top graph, you can see an estimate of energy used each day, reported in kilowatt hours. If you hover, you can see the exact kilowatt hours of each particular day. On the graph below, you can see solar DLI, supplemental DLI, and total DLI for each day. As you see here, solar light levels fluctuated throughout the month due to seasonality, climate, and limitations in greenhouse infrastructure. However, the smartPAR light sensor module has effectively filled in the amount of light required to hit a consistent DLI every day of the month. By stabilizing your DLI in the greenhouse, you're able to stabilize crop production to ensure more consistently high yields and premium quality.